Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to take advantage of the FOMC or Federal Open Market Committee meetings to generate consistent profits in option tradings. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and dive in. All right, fantastic. So let's start from the beginning here. You may be an option trading beginner or maybe a veteran and you are looking for consistency in option trading, right? One of the strategy that has been there for a while, and I'm surprised I haven't made a video. I've been making video for 1 year only. So shout out to my friend, Mr. Helio from Brazil, with whom we spoke yesterday about my videos. So it was something very interesting. Looking forward to trading with you, sir. So glad to meet you yesterday. So what is FOMC or Federal Open Market Committee? This is something that a lot of investors and even traders, they are aware of, yet do we struggle at how to take advantage of this. So the purpose of this video today is to show you how you can consistently take advantage of that. And stay toward the end of the video because I'm going to reveal a secret study that I've generated to actually make even more money after the FOMC. But let's talk about the FOMC. So Federal Open Market Committee. So the board, this board meets every other month and then provide a press conference. So it started with Ben Bernanke, Janet Yellen, and now J. Powell. It doesn't matter who the Fed is. It's pretty much whatever that is the committee is doing to facilitate liquidity in the market, to track interest rates, all of those jargon, the dots and whatever, it makes the market react. That's all you need to know. So you and I, we make money trading option when the market moves, when certain asset moves. So in this case on here, the first thing that I want you to take away is you go to your calendar, you go to this website, federalreserve.gov, and the calendar is there. It's known in advance. It's not a surprise. Yeah. The meetings, the FOMC meetings, they start typically on a Tuesday, always on a Tuesday, and then Wednesday they finish. At 2 p.m. Eastern, there is a decision on interest rates, and then at 2:30, whomever's the Fed, so is J. Powell, nowadays go and have a press conference. The first 15 minutes of that press conference is strictly reading a statement already prepared, and every single word, it's going to be interpreted by algorithm in the market. Kid you not. The next meeting, the most recent meeting was yesterday. I'm making this video on June 17, and it was yesterday. So you will see here, the one with the press conference that we'll have, the meeting with the press conference that we'll have an asterisk. So the 15 through the 16, and again, statement is at 2 p.m. Eastern and 2:30 p.m. Eastern. So meaning a good 2 hours before the market closed. So I will show you how we took advantage of that yesterday, trading something that will not be a surprise for you. And I can guarantee right now, it's not SPY. What? This is a SPY guy. So because a lot of people now they're coming they're researching, how to make a living trading SPY. It's like, you are not trading SPY anymore, Telex? Yeah, the secret is out. But shh, don't share that, right? So in this case here, so the next two meetings of interest for you and I this year will be September the 22nd and December the 15th. So be ready. Stack this video up somewhere and put a reminder such that you can take advantage of it. So let me share beforehand, before we did what we did yesterday. Well, let me show you why we did it, all right? So why we did it. I actually done this live on one of our pre-market show, believe it or not. So what have I done here? I've studied, since we know ahead of time, right? We know all of these meetings when they take place. So day 0 will be the day of the announcement. So that's always going to be on a Wednesday. So that's what this number is. And then day 1 will be the next day, Thursday. So I've studied the behavior of SPY. Yeah, SPY, because SPY is representative of the whole market with the 11 sectors. So I studied the behavior of SPY on here from 2016 all the way to 2021 to see how does SPY behave the day of the announcement of the FOMC, the day after on Thursday, and the 2 days after on Friday. The results are amazing. The results are amazing. One thing to take away is that the market does move. That's all you need to know, right? So the market moves. Now, does it move bullishly or bearishly? That's not always a straightforward um uh, answer to that question. Yeah, that's not always straightforward, but we know that the market moves. So meaning that you can definitely set up a strategy, let's say just before that. And really, yesterday was a little bit tricky. So let's go to the chart for yesterday. And instead of SPY, so I have this research on SPY to show us that how much the market move. Again, I'm going to come back to that research because that's the secret, the secret strategy that's going to even help you further. Yeah. Instead of SPY, actually, we can bring SPY. Let's go ahead and bring SPY on here. So I want to go split this screen, and on the left, I'm going to have SPY. SPY does more. The research shows that. But for us, remember, this announcement comes on Wednesdays. Yeah? You know, SPY has expiration on Wednesdays. So meaning, at the time when the announcement, the FOMC announcement on interest rate decision comes, we have 2 hours left before the market close. That's perfect. If you are new to this channel, maybe you don't know about it, but we specialize in a strategy on SPY toward the end of the day on expiration days, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday. But recently, since May, the beginning of May, we have shifted our attention from SPY. Yeah, this is the movement of SPY yesterday, but let's look at the new stock, the new ETF that for us, we absolutely love trading, even better than SPY on expiration day, is QQQ. You want a proof of that? The video at the very end of this show, just watch that next video. It's about QQQ on the type of return we have been able to generate recently on it. I need to be making one video at least on QQQ every single week on this channel. I mean, not to convince somebody, but at least to convey the notion. And we have the research. There's an article on Successful Trading blog, successfultradings.com, that actually shows you the reason for that decision. I'm going to put that in the description of this video as well. I invite you to spend the time understanding that to uncover the benefit of that. So this was yesterday on here. I've changed my trading view time on here to Eastern time. That's easier for everybody. It doesn't matter. I'm in California. That's 3 hours behind. But yesterday, 2 p.m. Eastern, yes, that's hour 14 on here. And this is the move. I mean, the trend was already done, right? This is the move that ensued from 342 all the way to 337 in a matter of 45 minutes. Let me show you exactly how we traded this. So this was the trade yesterday. But some of our traders were getting a little bit anxious before asking for trades. I had to let the traders know that, hey, we had time. We had time. So this yesterday on the I have to scroll down. So yeah, we even have a channel that says the SPY that pays us, but we are not trading SPY for a reason that I explained. So this is what we were trading yesterday. So QQQ 340 puts. These puts, they were out of the money for a while, but because we know the research give us the range. So what I'm going to do actually, if you're interested, let me know in the comments such that I can share this research that help us know how to pick the strike price. We have a methodology how to pick a strike price, right? That's another video that we have on this channel. Remember, this is a library for option trading beginners and experienced one. So, but let's come back to this research here. Yes. So over the years, so again, day 0 is that Wednesday when the FOMC meets. So what we track the open to the low. Yeah, that's the secret, folks. More than often, the advantage is on trading puts on FOMC day. Yes. So yesterday, the 340 puts, they went from about 55 cents was our entry. The low was about 51 cents. They went all the way to, they picked at $2 when we closed them, but the move went all the way to 270 something. This is the chart of the option on here. If I do it side by side, I may confuse some of you because people say, hey, you are showing a chart of trading view, the chart of the stock, and then you are showing the chart of the option. Does that mean that you are getting the chart of the option from trading view? A lot of people are searching for that word. I'm not so sure on that. So this is from my broker, Power E-Trade, where I easily track the chart of the option. And there's a video on this channel on how to do that. So in any case, long story short on here, these are the moves from open to low year after year on day zero for after the FOMC. The numbers can be misleading somehow. There is movement, but now here's the secret, folks. The secret is what happened the day after. Yeah, the Thursday after the FOMC. That's one that today is Thursday. So if we are lucky enough, we're in pre-market when I'm recording this video. If you're lucky enough to catch this video before the markets, sometime before you start trading today. So it's mostly bearish. In 2014, we have had instances on here where the next 2 days, in 2020 rather, 1.44 minus 1.44% between the open and the low. In 2021, by this time, because when we generated this research on here, it was, I believe, in March, we didn't have yesterday data as well. So this is going to be the data point under. What's the big deal? Minus 1% on QQQ, that's more than 3 points. 3 points, folks, with expiration coming on Friday, that can go a cool 200% under. So this is the strategy that's for us on here. And then you see the sneaky one on here because the day two is not that bad as well for put hold traders. So that's the secret that you want to definitely trade the FOMC, but purely the simple way to go about that, it's just before 2 p.m. Eastern, you can take a strangle and 3 to 4 points up and down and to take advantage of that. But then set yourself up for day one, meaning for Thursday and for Friday, and be ready to trade puts. Let's say the markets will be opening in about an hour and 90 minutes. what will be happening, and I will make a subsequent video and I will update this research. I will also invite you to go to successfultradings.com to be able to download this research, and I will teach you if you're so inclined. Join Successful Trading. I can teach you how to generate this type of quantitative analysis for any type of event or to observe a phenomena, and you turn that into a strategy, because that's how you consistently, you just mark it on your calendar. You know, hey, this is on this specific binary event, this is how I'm going to trade, and I know my percentage of making money. In the meantime, watch the next video, right, which is somewhere there to my left or to my right. Is going to be telling you why for us now I want you to be switching from SPY to QQQ on expiration day. Until then, have a great trading session, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Bye bye.